In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to Photoshop something out of a document using the Content Aware Fill. And to start off with, I'm just going to use the Lasso tool to do a rough selection, in this case, as you can see, around this person. And then I'm going to go up to Edit and Content Aware Fill. Now, if you have a look, it's actually done quite a good job. I'll zoom in a bit. Actually, that's a bit too much. There you go. It's not perfect though. You can see there are some blurred bits, but I can get rid of that by using the spot healing or healing brush quite easily. But as you can see, it's done quite a good job. And if I go on the right hand side here, I can output to a new layer or current layer or duplicate layer. I'll do a new layer. I'll do OK. And I'll just get rid of the selection. So that's what we had, and that's what we've got now, and it works quite nicely. But let's try it on another picture. So here's something a little bit busier. So let's see what we get. I'll do a rough selection around this person. That will do. I'll go to Edit, Content Aware Fill, and let's see what we get. Not bad. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. Notice the green area hasn't gone everywhere, so it's using the green to fill in what I don't want. I can add to this again by using the sampling brush tool, and I can paint out what not to be used to fill in the area. See what I get. Better or worse. Or I can hold the Alt key down and this will add to say let's use all of this to help in filling the area. Let's see what we get. Now, as you can see here, I'm missing the edges of the brick, but again I could bring them in with the healing or spot healing brush tool, so that's not too bad. And on the right hand side I can specify the sampling area to see it or not, the opacity of the sampling area, and the color of the sampling area as well. Green is fine, I've got no green in this picture, and I can indicate what's excluded, as you can see here, or what's actually being used, sampled, to fix my result. But certainly it's a better result which I can now fix with the other tools than if I had to do it manually.